Hi guys, most of them get answer 9 for this problem. It is wrong. Here 9 minus 6 is 3. Here 9 minus 6 is 3. Now this 3 times 3 is 9. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS here this is first priority, second priority, this is third, and this is fourth. Now multiplication and divisions are equal priority and addition subtractions are equal priority. Now we have to follow in the problem left to right rule. As per the order of operations PEMDAS, we have to do this bracket first. So 9 minus 6 times 9 minus 6 is here 3. Now in order of operations, the multiplication is higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to do this here. So 9 minus this is 18. So now this 9 minus 18 is minus 9. This is the correct answer.